Hi Jenny. Jenny studied abroad. Jenny and I studied together last week and we shared a lot of things and I would do now her a little better. So for example I skate here. Me, when did you go to Europe? When and sat part of her nest to the Eiffel Tower, and she told me, Jenny, last vacation I traveled with my boyfriend. She asked did you travel last vacation? And I replied, me, no, I only visit place in my city, my family, and I went to the mall. There were days I watched television and they. I went on a picnic with my family. She kept asking him now longer job in Europe. She ordered me, Jenny. I stayed 2 weeks. Me. How was everything? She told me, Jenny. I was wonderful and continued. Me. What time did you go to the Eiffel Tower? Jenny. I was in the tower and Susan. Me. And what did you do the rest of the day? Jenny. We took a ride on the Seine River and in a boat. Me. Then you go shopping in the city. Jenny. With who's walking and loving a lot with enjoyed each other's company. The previous afternoon we had played tennis on a court in Italy and I won a lot of points. We sat a couple of movies and TED cinema. Me. What day did you last go to TED movies? Jenny. Around 10 at night. Me. Around 10 at night. Jenny. That day we took the bus to TED movies and I ran it at night and I met Diana and Richard Big Chance. We were best friends at school and I remember that that was the man what shot my life with swan in LA and California with were kiss. I am very happy to see them still together. They made a very good couple. Sunday, I saw Don appears in the middle of the crowd and escaped for his brother. They had two beautiful children. And you already learning to swim. Jenny, with learning to swim to years 8. Jenny, and what did you do last weekend? Me, and I painted my house last weekend. Jenny, you worked really hard last week. Me, where else were you? Jenny, head wanted. to be in London, so we spent a couple of days in the city, but France fascinated. I had wanted to learn French. Jenny, we listened to music until 10 o'clock at night on the day we arrived in London, but a neighbor on the hotel border read us cheat smoking a lot. That's we decided to take a walk through a majestic park. Me, your trip was great. I tell to music husband to good old vacation to Europe. Thank you.